Subscribe my channel for GK. Who is the current Prime Minister of Norway? Answer is Jonas Gahr Støre. Who is the current Prime Minister of Albania? Answer is D. Rama. Who is the current Prime Minister of New Zealand? Answer is Christopher Luxon. Who is the current Prime Minister of Algeria? Answer is Sifi Garib. Who is the current Prime Minister of Netherlands? Answer is Rob Jetten. Who is the current Prime Minister of Vietnam? Answer is Lee Minh Hung. Who is the current Prime Minister of Nepal? Answer is Balendra Shah. Who is the current Prime Minister of Andorra? Answer is Javier Espot Jamora. Who is the current Prime Minister of Morocco? Answer is Aziz Akhnouch. Who is the current Prime Minister of Mongolia? Answer is Uchral Niam Osor. Who is the current Prime Minister of Moldova? Answer is Alexandru Montanu. Who is the current Prime Minister of Cambodia? Answer is Hun Manet. Who is the current Prime Minister of Japan? Answer is Sanae Takaichi. Who is the current Prime Minister of Australia? Answer is Anthony Albanese. Who is the current Prime Minister of Malta? Answer is Robert Abela. Who is the current Prime Minister of United Kingdom? Answer is Sir Keir Starmer. Who is the current Prime Minister of Mali? Answer is General Abdoulaye Maiga. Who is the current Prime Minister of Tunisia? Answer is Sarah Jafrani. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Answer is Narendra Modi. Who is the current Prime Minister of Jamaica? Answer is Andrew Holness. Who is the current Prime Minister of Saudi Arab? Answer is Mohammed bin Salman. Mustafa Madbouly. Who is the current Prime Minister of Russia? Answer is Mikhail Mishustin. Who is the current Prime Minister of Finland? Answer is Petteri Orpo. Who is the current Prime Minister of Romania? Answer is Ilie Bolozhan. Who is the current Prime Minister of Qatar? Answer is Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman bin Jassim Al Thani. Who is the current Prime Minister of Portugal? Answer is Luis Montenegro. Who is the current Prime Minister of Poland? Answer is Donald Tusk. Who is the current Prime Minister of Cuba? Answer is Manuel Moreno Cruz. Who is the current Prime Minister of China? Answer is Li Qiang. Who is the current Prime Minister of Slovenia? Answer is Robert Golob. Who is the current Prime Minister of Bulgaria? Answer is Rumen Radev. Who is the current Prime Minister of Somalia? Answer is Hamza Abdi Bare. Who is the current Prime Minister of Iraq? Answer is Who is the current Prime Minister of Ireland? Answer is Michael Martin. Who is the current Prime Minister of Slovakia? Answer is Robert Fico. Who is the current Prime Minister of Israel? Answer is Benjamin Netanyahu. Who is the current Prime Minister of Singapore? Answer is Lawrence Wong. Who is the current Prime Minister of Italy? Answer is Giorgia Meloni. Who is the current Prime Minister of Serbia? Answer is Duro Mekut. Who is the current Prime Minister of Peru? Answer is Luis Arroyo Sanchez. Who is the current Prime Minister of Pakistan? Answer is Shehbaz Sharif. Who is the current Prime Minister of France? Answer is Isabelle Carnot. Who is the current Prime Minister of Laos? Answer is Sonexy Fondon. Who is the current Prime Minister of Lebanon? Answer is Nawaf Salam. Who is the current Prime Minister of Tanzania? Answer is Mwigulu Nchemba. Who is the current Prime Minister of Lithuania? Answer is Inga Ruginiene. Who is the current Prime Minister of Tajikistan? Answer is Kohir Rasulzoda. Who is the current Prime Minister of Belarus? Answer is Alexander Turchin. Who is the current Prime Minister of Greece? Answer is Kyriakos Mitsotakis. Who is the current Prime Minister of Guyana? Answer is Mark Phillips. Current Prime Minister of Hungary? Answer is Peter Magyar. Who is the current Prime Minister of Iceland? Answer is Kristrún Frostdóttir. Who is the current Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Answer is Harini Amarsurya. Who is the current Prime Minister of Namibia? Answer is Titunga Elia Jurare. Who is the current Prime Minister of Uzbekistan? Answer is Abdullah Aripov. Who is the current Prime Minister of Kazakhstan? Answer is Oljaz Bektinov. Who is the current Prime Minister of Mauritius? Answer is Naveen Ramgoolam. Who is the current Prime Minister of Azerbaijan? Answer is Ali Asadov. Who is the current Prime Minister of Ukraine? Answer is Yulia Sviridenko.